What's up, guys? So if you know, I'm back home. Yeah. So yeah, I'm actually back home now. So now it's time to focus on the account. I was with my brother last week, and now I'm back home, and it's time to actually focus on my 5K account. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. This is ep4. Like and subscribe to the channel, and this video is going to be a week in the life of a day trader. So all you can do now is like, subscribe, join my Discord channel. I'm trying to gather up a great community. I need you guys to support your brother. This channel is just full of transparency, and I show you guys the true reality of being unprofitable and broke while trading. So why not support me? So that's it. It is Monday today, 1st of June actually. So the market will be open in 2 hours time, and I'm going to be trading. I'm not going to force any trade. First off, I'm not in the right headspace now. I had a lot of one or two going on yesterday. That was Sunday. So yeah, my mind, I need some rest. But yeah, I'm just going to watch the charts and observe calmly and see if I'm going to be able to catch any trade. So yeah, but for now, subscribe. Let's get the video started. What's up? So guys, one thing, right? It's actually 9:14 now. So in let's say in 15 minutes time the market will be open, and I just took my bag right now and I'm looking at the charts, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to say that life is actually crazy, because this trading shit is going to be hard if you are a day trader. Mostly, if you don't have a job, if you don't have any other income stream that is supposed to support your fucking trading career, it's going to be hard. Like me, I'm learning the hard way. I've been doing this now for 3 years. 3 years. This month will make it 3 years. You get? So yeah, that's all I have to say. But today is Monday. Am I looking to stack into position? Hell no. Am I looking to force out a trade? Hell no. My mindset now for now is just look at the chart. If I see a trade, I'm going to take the trade. I'm not in, like I said, I'm not in the right state of mind. So I'm not even looking to take any trade, because I've been doing this shit for a long time, and I know when I'm feeling okay. You know what I mean. If you are a trader, you know what I mean. So since I'm not in the right state of mind, I'm not looking to even take any trade. But if I see a setup, I'm going to take maybe it's half risk, half of my risk, and take the trade and call it a day. That's simply it. For today, today is like a resting day to me. If you can tell, my last week vlog, I couldn't even edit it yesterday because I was sick yesterday. So I'm actually editing my last week vlog today, so my head is filled with a lot of things, and I'm multitasking, so I feel like dying. But this is the work I need to put in to get where I need to reach. You understand? So enough with the ranting and yapping. Let's see what Monday is going to present to us. If I catch a good setup, I'm taking it. If I don't see any trade, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. So yeah, let's just pray God bless me today and I catch a good setup. That's it. Let's see. So guys, for since afternoon, since the starting of trading session, my PC has died on me, and this bad boy has refused to turn on. As you can see, the keyboard keep lighting up. I'm so fucking tired of this laptop. I just feel like throwing it away. So yeah, like I said, today I wasn't looking to take any trade. I was very conservative today, and I was very skeptical. So this is actually the trade I took today. As you can see, we had an SMT here. This is on XPX 500. This is ES. So we had an SMT, NQ went all the way up here and swept that high. I'm going to show you guys. So I chose ES over NQ because ES was looking very much more weaker, but I ended up being wrong. So this was my trade. Wait. This shit gonna be fucking messy. So yeah, this was the trade I actually took. As you can see, it was I had like price action today was horrible. So that was my SL right here. I took the trade once price inversed this fair value gap. This one exactly. So bro, I hate what this PC is doing to me. So yeah, as you can see, price swept this high, tap into my zone, inversed the fair value gap right there. I took my shots and I was looking to go break even once price takes out this low, that low right there, and that's exactly what I did. All I should have done better, my feel was not perfect. My feel was actually around this point. And ES spread is horrible. So my 1-to-1 was around this point. My feel was around this point. So my 1-to-1 was around here. Yeah. So yeah, I would have closed 50% if price tapped that place, but price did not end up reaching that area, and I was targeting a 1-to-2 as usual. That's these lows right here. But as you can see, today market just decided to chop. As price took out this low, I moved my stops to break even, and price went back to my entry and stopped me out. And as you can see, today PA was horrible because price draw on liquidity was lower, but price just refused entirely. Price refused to go lower. That's one thing about trading all-time highs, is that you have to be very careful with shorts. So yeah, that's actually the take profit for today, 1st of June. So it was a break-even trade. As you can see, SPX 500 sell. That's literally it for today. Overall, I'm glad that I was able to control myself and I did not take another trade, because I would have been very, very upset with myself. And now we are currently retracing. That's how the market is looking now. But yeah, tomorrow we are going to try again this pullback. But I think this week or the nearest future, price is definitely coming back here to like sweep all this relative low. So that's something I'm definitely watching out for. So yeah, we'll come back again tomorrow. Yo, all is good, guys. Today is Wednesday, 3rd of June, as you can see, and this was my trade. This was the trade of today. I actually got cooked, and if you can tell, like from the previous clip, you can easily see that my laptop is not turning on for like the past 2-3 days, actually 4 days. Since on Saturday I haven't been able to use that laptop. So this was the trade I took. I got stopped out right here before price went down to my take profit. This is crazy, because if you actually watch here, you can easily see that price did not inverse this fair value gap. I don't know if you can see the gap right here, but on my MT5, this is the exact fair value gap right here. That's this fair value gap right here, and as you can see on this candle, price actually inversed it, and that's the reason why I took shots right here, and I kept my stop loss here, and price stopped me out, then went to the take profit. Look at the main trade here. Actually, why the reason why is like very somehow is because I was right all along. So this was the the trade, then the main trade I should have taken. If I that's why PC is very important, because I was looking at my MT5 chart. If I had seen that price did not inverse this gap, I wouldn't have taken the trade. So as you can see, price inversed this other one, then went straight to my TP. It like chopped around a bit, but it's like the overall idea was right. Then this is, yep, I risked 2% on the trade. ES has more spread, like S&P 500 has more spread, so it like stopped me out for a bit more. But yeah, I lost 2% on that trade, and we are currently up 2% on the account. So yeah, that's literally it for today. Not a bad idea. For the trade was not a bad idea. I just miscalculated and misentered. That's literally it, bro. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We have tomorrow and the next tomorrow to trade again. That's Thursday and Friday. So let's see what the market presents. I'm just done trading for today. Today is Thursday, 4th of June, and I'm actually done with my trading session. Today was a healthy, kind of day. I did not secure like a perfect day, but it is overall not a bad day. What we have for today. I finally was able to get this bad boy to turn on. Actually, I need to plug it in before it turns on. So basically, it is running on electricity more than the battery. That's mental. So yeah, this is my trades for the day. Actually, I took 2 trades. Both of them got stopped. I got stopped at break even after securing 50% on the how I trade. So let me so basically I had 2 points of interest. I had one up here and I had one down here. I also had one below these lows here, and I missed my first trade. Like supposedly that's supposed to be my first trade. That's I'm supposed to take that trade, but I missed it. But as you can see, price tapped my other point of interest and inversed this fair value gap. But I was not looking to take this trade until we inverse this second fair value gap right here. So as soon as we invest, I took the trade. My entry was not the best, so I was targeting a 1 to 2 as usual, but I'm looking to close. You guys know, but my laptop is tripping out. So I was also looking to close what's it called, 50% at a 1 to 1, as I usually do. That's like what secures my trade most of the time. So price actually went for a 1 to 1 around this point. My feel was that was where price went to. So I was able to secure 50% of the profit, and I moved the rest to break even. But as you can see, price actually went straight to my break even and stopped me out. Then what did price do after that? Price went for the second point of interest, the inverse fair value gap, and as you can see, price first inversed this little gap right here. Let me take this shade out. So as you can see, there is a little gap right here that price inversed, and I actually entered for no, I did not enter from this inverse right here. I did not enter for this inverse. After price went up here, then made this second inversion. That's when I actually entered the trade. That's the second inversion right here, inversion number 1, then inversion number 2. So as price inversed this gap, I took my second shot, and I was also targeting a 1 to 2, and I was looking to close 50% at a 1 to 1. So my 1 to 2 was also down here, but price only went for a 1 to 1. My laptop is tweaking, so I closed. So yeah, for today this is all I was able to secure. I was able to secure 2% for today again, The first trade I closed out 50, second trade I closed out 50. That's how it went. And we are back up 4% on the account, bro. This account, I need to like lock in, bro. I don't want to turn this into a roller coaster of, ups and down. So that's what I was able to secure. That's the 2 trade from the day for the day, and we are up 2% for the day. Overall, not a very bad day. Actually, yo, what's up, fellas? So today is Friday and 5th of June, right? So I will be trading today also. I'm hoping to catch a nice and like a quality setup today. So hopefully I'm going to catch something nice. Bro, why do I look so fucking? And this is my hair now. This is how my hair actually look like. So I'm going to try to like shave the hair, like carve it, and get my angles back, shave here too. I usually do them by myself, but now I have a friend that actually does the work, so I'm going to head to his place or either invite him to help me get a fresh trim. But for now I'm looking chopped, so let's wait till the market open and try to trade. So that's the game plan for now. Trade, don't blow our account. So catch you guys. Yo, bro, so this is the trade for today. Today is Friday, literally 5th of June. So I just took this trade now, and it hits our 1 to 2 as usual. How we target, I usually close 50% around that point, and I trade my stop loss to that high right there. That's the risk, that's the management. Although as you can see, my entry was not the best. I'm supposed to enter on this other candle, but I got my entry here. So anyways, 0 drawdown on the trade, and we went straight to like first TP. I closed 50% of the position. That's at $50. Then I left the remaining trade to like go straight to my full take profits, and that is this one. We are $40 away from passing the phase 1. That's like 0.5%. No, that's 1% of the account. I mean, so yeah, we are down, like we are about $50 away to pass, and that's it for this week, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm not taking any more trade for the day. Yo boys, so that is going to be the rounding up of the video. As you can see, that was my last trade on Friday. So we are only 1% from passing the phase 1 of the account. And if I can like secure 1%, a 1% trade on Monday or Tuesday, or just next week entirely. Not next week. Today is Sunday, by the way. So I will be done with phase 1. So that's what I'm going to be hoping for this new week, and I pray that God helps me out. So that's literally it. Like, subscribe to the channel. Also join my Discord. You get, join my Discord and follow my IG. So I've gotten the cut, bro. My hairline don't chop. My hairline don't chop finish. So yeah, like and subscribe to the channel.